Hi everyone, and welcome to the Open Day presentation about the Master in Statistics and Statistics with application to finance. So those are two different masters offered by the School of Maths in the University of Leeds. I'm Dr. Luisa Cutillo and I will be your program leader. And today I'm gonna give you an outline of these two programs, some information about the support you're gonna receive with your student life, and potential help with your future career. I like to start from why Leeds. It is very prestigious to have a master in Leeds because it's highly ranked according to different parameters. In particular, it's top 100 university in the world, 37th most international university in the world. That means that we have a variety of international students communities. Also a third in the UK for student experience. That means that overall students are happy to join us. And very importantly, it is fifth most targeted UK university by graduate recruiters. That means that you will have a preferential exposure to the job market after your master. Now, the campus environment. The School of Maths is very nicely located in the middle of the campus, attached to the Edward Boyle Library and very close to the Leeds University Union, where you will find all sorts of services, shops, the refectory, and all sorts of initiatives up in there. On campus, you will find a very vibrant life. You will have a dedicated international student support. You will receive advice and guidance on employability. You will be offered orientation and welcome program. You will be also associated with a personal tutor, an academic personal tutor. And I was saying you will have the possibility to join the university, Leeds University Union. There's a very lively social life, as I was saying, but also in the city. The city is very lively. In particular, there's many theaters and cultural initiatives and all sorts of things happen. There's an international student community, and that will give you the possibility at the beginning to stick to people that which you might feel more familiar with. And also we have available international scholarships schemes. The School of Mathematics offers a range of masters, so you will be likely to meet during your course of study other students from the Master in Data Science and Analytics or the Master in Mathematics. And the School of Mathematics is highly ranked worldwide. Indeed, is for the research activities is world leading and is being quoted as internationally excellent. If you want to find more, follow the link or the QR code that I'm providing. On our website, you might find many information about entry requirement and the application process. I hereby remind you of some of the basics entry requirements, like a bachelor degree with a first year height to 1, also a requirement of statistics, and also check with the admission office if you have international equivalent qualifications. This will be properly matched. We do require an English level entrance as a minimum of yes 6.5 overall. So bear this in mind. Now let's go straight to the module structure, and I start from the statistics one. We have two compulsory modules, the dissertation statistics and statistical computing, and then we have a set of optional modules offered by the School of Maths. For example, here I just picked some. Advanced mathematical biology, stochastics calculus for finance, medical statistics in practice, multivariate cluster analysis. The optionality gives you flexibility, so you can pick the modules so that this will tailor your future profile for your future career. So if you want a career in the medical field, you might select more medical or clinically orientated statistical modules. If you want to keep an eye on the business, you can choose modules that imply application to finance, etc. And this is really well perceived usually by students, because students do like flexibility in this sense. As for the module structure for statistics with application to finance, we have a similar situation, but we have a more structured program with a set of compulsory modules that, of course, is again the dissertation statistics. This is the same module shared with the statistics master. So there will be the same code for the module. And then discrete time finance, continuous time finance. This will aim to develop methodology for pricing financial assets in risky financial markets based on discrete or continuous time models. Then you have risk management and time series and spectral analysis. Those are compulsory. Then you still have flexibility. You can choose a variety of optional modules. And this is an example, for example, Bayesian statistics and causality, statistical computing, generalized linear and additive modules. The full list is available online. Please consult the course catalog if you want to discover more about this. Okay, now let's talk about the dissertation project. So the School of Mathematics usually offers a variety of cutting-edge dissertation projects on research topics that are going on, research interests that are going on in the School of Maths. But in particular, some of the projects might have a multidisciplinary supervisory team, because we have active collaboration across schools and departments and faculties. And so we might offer you projects that are with the application and in collaboration, for example, with business school, biological sciences, health and medicine, etc. And this keeps changing, because we always bring new collaboration in and follow up on previous one. Also, we do have external partner. At times, we manage to have students participating to a dissertation scheme offered by the Consumer Data Research Center. We do have an institution in Leeds that is a CDRC, and there's a yearly this dissertation scheme is launched in partnership with industries, so external project offers, and there's a proper selection with the curriculum and an interview, and if everything goes through, you have the chance of participating to this scheme. Last year we did have one student succeeding particularly well at this. We have an active collaboration and we're strengthening the link with the Met Office, and we are going to propose more projects in collaboration with them. In Leeds, we have a flagship institutions of data analytics. It's called the Leeds Institute of Data Analytics, LIDA, and they also are very keen to offer projects with us, and also Leeds Institute of Clinical Trials Research do the same. We have a very active collaboration with them. Those projects are mainly competition based. That means that you will have to go through a selection. And the whole process is very formative for you, because even if you're not successful, it is a first way of understanding where your skills are, how to write an application, how to prepare for an interview, and it is a very simple process, so it should not be stressful. Also, I wanted to share with you the success story of Aindrila Basu, our last year student. This was a student from the Data Science and Analytics Master, but taking part to the CDRC dissertation scheme, but this is open also to statistics students, so you can apply. And Andrila managed to win the third prize in this national program for the year, and she described her positive experience in an interview that is here in YouTube, and you can find information also on LinkedIn on the page of Andrila. This was co-supervised by two supervisors in this industries called Kindness, Diego Capozzi and Daniel Garcia Perez, and by myself. I was saying it is very important, the connection that we have with the Leeds Institute for Data Analytics, that have a collection of scientists from all disciplines with focus on health, urban analytics, and artificial intelligence. They offer training, they have schemes for students, the centers for doctoral training are run also by schools and faculty. So in practice, you will be in a system where there's a lot of opportunities for your future if you want to stay in research and follow up with a PhD, for example. Okay, so more information are here, so you can follow the barcode or the link. And also, Leeds is a university, is part of the Alan Turing Institute, that is the UK National Institute for Data Science and Artificial Intelligence. We have many research fellows that are Turing Research Fellows in Leeds. Myself, I am a Turing Fellow, for example, and there's others from the School of Maths. This is very prestigious, and again, this implies involvement in very state-of-the-art of research topics. And more information can be found here. Also, they have PhD enrichment schemes, etc. All sorts of things you can find here in this website. Nevertheless, I wanted to mention that we have introduced an academic English language provision on the dissertation modules, and this is led by Dick Kirkham, lecturer in English for academic purposes for the School of Mathematics, and he will give you guidance on how to write in mathematics, particularly if this isn't your first, English isn't your first language. It would be providing example of dissertations. Many would be also on the dissertation module page. And finally, I just wanted to thank you for listening and to remind you to stay in touch after today, and good luck for your applications. If you want to know more, and if you want to follow up with us, those are our contacts. As I was saying, I am the program coordinator and leader of the master, and this is the dedicated email address that I use for queries related to the master. And also Dr. Graham Murphy is the Deputy Director of Student Education and is actively involved with all sorts of organization of activities for the master and for the masters in the School of Mathematics. This year we will also have a career-oriented events and seminar dedicated to the students, so you are more exposed to the academic life going on in Leeds. So thank you so much again, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.